Hey guys, greetings from Property Unboxing. Today we are going to show you a 2 BHK apartment in Kensington Park, Sector 133, Noida. JP Green Kensington Park is a part of Wish Town, which is the largest township in Noida. Talking about the location, it is in Noida Expressway. In Sector 133, you have a shopping mall Paras 133 coming up. JP Hospital is around 1 kilometer from the society. Schools like Somerville are at a walkable distance. The red building on the left side that you see is the Adobe Noida Expressway office. Candor InfoSpace SEZ is 5 minutes drive from Sector 133. Coming back to the society, in Kensington Park you have plots and apartments. Plots are available with completion, and for apartments, few towers are delivered and few are still pending. You have 2, 3 and 4 BHK options available. In each tower you have ground plus 18 floors. In each floor you have 6 flats and 3 lifts. In the lobby area, green marble flooring is used. The 2 BHK flat size is around 1100 square feet and it has a living room with open kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 3 balconies. As you enter, you have the living room. One thing that you will notice as soon as you enter is the height of the ceiling. It is around 11.5 feet, which makes the room feel more airy and spacious. The living room size is around 18 by 12 feet. Vitrified tiles are used in this room. For ventilation and natural light you have windows, and along with that you have an attached balcony. It is a 3 feet wide balcony. This is a park facing ground floor flat. In this society you have the kids play area, but the main club is not started yet. You have an open kitchen just next to the living area. The size of the kitchen is around 7 by 10 feet. As a part of the fixture and fittings, marble top with sink was provided by the builder. And along with that, ceramic tiles of around 2 feet above counter were also provided. The modular kitchen work that you see is based on owner's choice. In this kitchen, you also get a space for a big appliance. In this flat, you also have a utility balcony. JP Cosmos flat that we had showed you few weeks back didn't have this utility balcony. Let's go back inside the living area. On the left side you have the first bedroom. In the front you have the second bedroom, and next to it is washing area. And on the right side you have the common bathroom. The size of the first bedroom is around 11 by 10 feet. Wooden flooring was provided by the builder. In this room, you get windows for natural light. Closet that you see were not provided by the builder. This flat has a steel closet with wooden textured paint. In front of this bedroom is the common bathroom, which has a size of around 5 by 8 feet. In the shower area, you get tiles up to 7 feet, and on the rest of the area you get tiles up to 3.5 feet. You get anti-skid tiles on the floor. Next to the bathroom, you have the washing machine area. Let's see the master bedroom now. The size of the master bedroom is around 13 by 10 feet. This room also has a wooden flooring. Like the other room, the closet were not provided by the builder. In this room, you get an attached 3 feet wide balcony. This flat has all the balconies facing the park. As it is a ground floor flat, the owner has put up the grills. This room also has an attached bathroom. The bathroom size is 5 by 8 feet. In both the bathrooms, you get standard sanitary fittings. We have both sale and rent options available. To schedule a visit, please do call us and do please subscribe to our channel.